Are you tired of wasting time on get-rich-quick schemes that never seem to work? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. In today's video, we're revealing a revolutionary new way to make money online that's fast, easy, and best of all, completely free. You won't believe your eyes when you see these cutting-edge websites that will pay you $30 for each click. That's right, $30 for just one click. And the best part is, these sites are open to users from all around the world, so anyone can start earning right away. So grab a seat and get ready to learn about these mind-blowing websites that are changing the game for online earning. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make some serious cash. The first website we'll be sharing with you today is called surfbox.com. This is how their website seems. As you scroll down, you can see that this website has speedy payments and detailed statistics and pays out 1 cent for each click and 1 cent for each referral click. Consider that it is pay-per-click, even if it doesn't sound like hundreds of thousands or millions. There is a chance of 500,000 clicks per day, and that figure is merely an estimate. If you do get 500,000 clicks per day, you'll make $5,000 in a single day. These websites accept payments with Payer and Perfect Money. Sadly, they don't accept PayPal, but don't worry, the websites that come after them accept PayPal, in addition to a wide variety of other payment options. Make sure you're still there for it to start making money with our website. Just click the register button in the top right corner of your screen. You should then be sent to this page, click register to create an account, then enter your username, email address, and passwords to get started earning money right away. The name of the next website we have is Scarlet Clicks. To access their website, simply type scarlet-clicks.info into your browser. When you first visit their website, you'll see this. Click advertisements to earn up to 1 cent per click, earn up to $100 from referrals. You can get money by clicking advertisements, finishing deals, and referring new users. After that, you can withdraw money using your Skrill, Neteller, Payer, RTM, or Bitcoin account. Just $2 is a minimum payout amount. As members, we can make up to $1 for every click. Skrill, Neteller, Payer, RTM, and Bitcoin are all accepted as payment methods, and the minimum payout is a shockingly low $2. You might receive up to 100% of referral commissions, comprehensive click-through statistics on your recommendations, along with expert assistance. To register here, simply click register in the top right corner of the screen. You should then be able to do so by following the on-screen directions, and you'll have a user account in no time. The third website, serpclicks.com, is the most beneficial to us. As you can see, boost your SEO ranks with click traffic generated by the crowd. There is a DIY solution that is easy to use, affordable, and you can start using it in under a minute. These are real clickers just like us. There are no bots used here, so there is a potential for success for everyone. When a company owner pays SerpClicks, SerpClicks will take a portion of that payment and distribute it to the people who registered as clickers, which includes us. The ability to earn between 5 cents and 10 cents for each click is this site's biggest feature. As a result, if you were able to make 1 cent per click on the other websites, you could make between 5 cents and 10 cents on this website, which is absurdly more than the other websites. Moreover, they raised a $5 reward minimum and a 10% referral commission. Although it's still amazing, the cost is a little bit higher than on the previous website. Yet that is understandable considering that their pay-per-click is more than that of their preceding websites. As you can see, all of their clickers are paid out via PayPal, which is great because it eliminates the requirement for you to submit an application. Anybody from any nation is eligible to work for SerpClicks. They don't screen or interview candidates for jobs. This is a fantastic choice for quick cash in nations with few job opportunities. Simply pick Become a Clicker from the product menu on the home page to access this page and register. You may sign up easily by clicking the Click Here to Get Started button, which will allow you to start making money right away. The fourth and last website for today is called Ysanchi.com. Compared to the earlier ones we showed you, this one offers more opportunities to earn money. As you can see, it states that among many other things, you can get money by downloading apps, registering for websites, viewing videos, and more. Compared to our prior websites, this one has the most ways to make money. This is another fantastic way to boost your monthly income and revenue. You can have a say in how future goods and services are developed, in addition to earning money from free paid surveys. Also, there is a referral scheme, so spread the word about why sends your contacts and watch your earnings skyrocket. You might receive up to 30% of what your referrals are paid. You can be paid with Skrill, Payoneer, PayPal, and Amazon gift cards, among other payment methods. There are numerous alternatives to sign up. Simply click Join Now, follow the sign-up procedures, and start earning money. That's it. Then you will be earning hundreds, if not thousands, of cash every single day. If you can try all the websites at once, you won't even need to lift a finger. Nothing is expected of you if you merely click a few times, make a few clicks, and leave a few links. Your money will start coming in like wildfire on complete autopilot, so give it a try.